Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Confirm a full backup and shut down the OS or take the server offline. Next, connect to ILO or local console and launch HPE Smart Storage Administrator or the controller option ROM. Once there, identify the controller and list virtual drives and member physical disks so you know which array to remove. Make sure firmware is current and note disk serials. This prevents accidental deletion of the wrong set and speeds recovery if needed. With the correct virtual drive selected, choose Delete or Remove Virtual Drive and read prompts slowly. This action destroys the RAID metadata. Once you confirm, let the controller process the deletion and then inspect member physical disks. If available, run the Unconfigure or Clear Configuration option on each physical disk to remove leftover metadata. Doing this ensures disks appear as raw and are safe for reuse. Make sure to watch controller logs and don't interrupt the operation to avoid inconsistent states. Once deletion finishes, reboot and verify the server recognizes the disks as available. If you plan to recreate arrays or reinstall an OS, do so now from intelligent provisioning or your installation media. Run controller diagnostics to ensure no residual errors. If disks still show as part of an array, use the controller's Clear or Remove Foreign Configuration option, or update controller firmware and retry. These steps resolve stale metadata and controller bugs that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.